Single Sliding Door Installation Guide. Today, we're installing a brand new shower door. Let's get started. Tools you'll need: pencil, measuring tape, level, power drill, metal hacksaw, hammer, Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench, silicone sealant. Preparation: inspect both glass panels to ensure they match the dimensions of your shower room. Also, verify that the aluminum installation template is the correct model. This step ensures everything is ready before starting the installation. Now, step-by-step installation. 1. Use a level to check if the shower threshold is flat. On the higher side, position the aluminum installation template vertically, leaving a half-inch gap from the outer edge. Mark the installation hole positions with a pencil. Move the template to the opposite wall, recheck the level, and mark the top hole positions on that side. 2. Use a 5/16" drill bit to drill holes at the marked points. Insert wall anchors and install the 3 mounting brackets. Measure the distance between the 2 installed wall brackets. Use a metal hacksaw to cut the track to the appropriate length. Secure both ends of the track to the wall brackets. 4. Position the fixed glass panel and gradually install the 3 mounting components to secure it. Lock all parts firmly in place. 5. Use a level to ensure the glass panel is upright. Secure the bottom bracket to anchor the glass firmly to the floor. 6. Attach the rollers to the sliding glass door. Hang the door on the track and use a level to confirm it is perfectly straight. Adjust the eccentric rollers to align the sliding door with the walls. Then tighten the rollers to secure all components. 7. Install handles on both glass doors in sequence. 8. Measure the required length for the water dam. Cut it to size and attach it to the floor using silicone sealant. 9. Attach water seal strips between the fixed panel and the sliding door. This helps contain water within the shower area. 10. Apply silicone sealant along the edges where the fixed glass meets the walls and floor, creating a watertight seal. Everything is complete. Your shower door is installed. Wait 24 hours for the silicone to fully cure before using the shower. Thank you for watching, and happy DIY!